Hi, this is David Jem coming to you from Sotheby's International Realty in beautiful Lake Tahoe. Today is a very special treat for me personally. This is a house that I started my real estate career in 20 years ago. The sellers have asked us to come in and repurpose the house and make it feel like a savvy, sexy mountain lodge. It is absolutely stunning in every single corner. The details of this house, like unseen in the world today. It blends contemporary living with rustic accents, and the finishes are top-notch. So follow me and let's take a tour. Liked what you saw, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're building our channel one follower at a time, and we appreciate everyone who joins us.